Did you know that a deficiency in antioxidants and essential vitamins can leave your body vulnerable to chronic fatigue, weakened immunity, and even early aging? Often these symptoms are overlooked until it's too late. The go-to solution? Expensive chemical-based medications that might come with unwanted side effects. But what if I told you there's a natural powerhouse that could help? Meet the Cape gooseberry, also known as goldenberry, nature's remedy packed with incredible health benefits. Stay tuned as we dive into the amazing benefits of Cape gooseberry and how this tiny fruit can transform your health. Cape gooseberry, or Physalis peruviana, is a bright orange superfruit wrapped in a delicate husk. Known for its sweet and tangy flavor, this fruit is not just a culinary delight, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Commonly referred to as golden berries, they've been cherished for centuries in traditional medicine. Let's explore the golden berry's health benefits backed by science. Boosts immunity. Cape gooseberry is rich in vitamin C, a key nutrient for a strong immune system. Just one serving can provide over 15% of your daily vitamin C needs. According to a 2015 study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry, vitamin C supports the production of white blood cells, which fight infections and reduce inflammation. Promotes healthy vision. These golden berries contain carotenoids like beta-carotene, which are essential for eye health. Research in Nutrients Journal reveals that carotenoids help prevent macular degeneration and improve overall vision clarity. Supports heart health. Loaded with potassium and bioflavonoids, Cape gooseberry helps regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Studies have shown that potassium helps relax blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing strain on the heart. Aids in weight management. Golden berries are low in calories and high in dietary fiber, making them a great snack for those looking to manage their weight. Fiber promotes a feeling of fullness, reducing the chances of overeating. Plus, their natural sweetness satisfies sugar cravings without spiking your blood sugar. Fights free radicals. The high levels of antioxidants in Cape gooseberry, such as polyphenols and vitamin E, combat free radicals in your body. A study from the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry highlights that these antioxidants can help prevent cellular damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer. Cape gooseberries are incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. Enjoy them raw as a healthy snack, blend them into smoothies for a tangy twist, toss them into salads or desserts for an exotic flavor, or dry them to create chewy, nutrient-packed snacks. Their unique taste and nutritional benefits make them a perfect addition to your daily routine. So, why not make Cape gooseberry a part of your healthy lifestyle? Let nature take care of your well-being with its amazing benefits of Cape gooseberry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Healthy for more tips on natural health remedies. Drop a comment below. Have you tried golden berries before? Let us know your favorite way to enjoy them. See you in the next video.